Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to be telling you how you can make money in a metaverse. What are the best opportunities to make thousands of dollars with metaverse? So let's get started. You might be wondering, what is metaverse? Metaverse is this virtual reality that has been created, and it seems like metaverse is the future. You can simply go ahead and buy lands in metaverse. You can create your shops, and you can do a lot of things within the metaverse, and it is going to be the future. It is becoming famous more and more every day, and everybody is looking for different ways to invest in metaverse is quite new, and it has been created recently. So when something is new, and whenever something is launched, there comes a lot of opportunities with the platform. So with metaverse, we can actually make a lot of money. We can actually invest just hundreds of dollars, and then in return we will be making thousands of dollars. Now the question is, as a beginner, how to get started with metaverse? What are the different platforms to look for, and what are the best opportunities to go for with the minimum investment, and as a beginner with no experience, and which will actually help you make thousands of dollars in return. So let's start with that. Right now I am on Decentraland org. So what I wanted to do is, the first thing that I will be telling you is buying land. That is the first way to make thousands of dollars, and that is the best opportunity to have a land, your own land in metaverse. So that is like the easiest and the best way to invest in metaverse, because you will have your own land, you will be the part of metaverse, and then you can do whatever you want to do with that land. So where to get the land? You can go to decentraland.org. It is a gaming metaverse right now. Then we also have Sandbox. So you can also check out sandbox.com. There are lands available to buy. How to buy the land? You can actually buy the land within the marketplace of that metaverse. For example, I can go to the marketplace right here, and I will be able to check out the land. You can also go to OpenSea.io. OpenSea is an open marketplace for NFTs. The land that we buy in metaverse is NFT. So what I can do is I can buy land from OpenSea.io. The land right now, the minimum amount of land is going to be 3 Ethereum, that I have noticed right now at the time of making this video. It is 3 Ethereum, and it is like $6,000 or $7,000. So it's not that much, and trust me, 3 Ethereum is nothing right now. As we talk about the future, this investment, like if you are investing $6,000 in metaverse, it will help you make 6 million in the future. So keep that in mind. A little investment is not that bad. So yeah, you can simply go ahead, and I think buying land is, if you're looking for an opportunity, then it brings a lot of opportunity. So what we can do with our land is that we have our own land, right? So people will be hanging out in the metaverse all the time. What we can do is, we can create bar, we can create restaurants, we can create event managing, places right there. We can manage events, we can rent our land for shops. So whatever you want, it will belong to you, like buying a land in real life. So that's what it is all about. So I think this is one of the best opportunities to go ahead and invest in a metaverse, and it will actually help you make thousands of dollars. When we talk about metaverse, the next opportunity that you get, and a way you can make thousands of dollars, is going to be creating NFTs. We know that everything in metaverse is NFT, and we can create NFT can be anything. If you do not have any idea about NFT stands for non-fungible tokens, and it can be of any type: an art, collectible, domain name, music, photography, trading card, utility, and virtual world as well. So everything in the metaverse is NFT. The land, the for example, the chair you're sitting on, the shoes you're wearing, everything is going to be NFT. So if you know how to create NFTs, then of course you will be making thousands of dollars. And this is actually one of the ways, one of the opportunities that we get with the metaverse. You don't need any investment. You can actually create your NFT collection for free. And then you will be able to make thousands of dollars. We know NFTs are being sold for we sell NFTs in Ethereum, and one Ethereum right now is round about $3,000. So the NFTs, the good NFTs right now, are being sold for up to hundreds of Ethereum, and that is like millions of dollars, billions of dollars just for one NFT. So that is how crazy this thing is, right? The community, the NFTs. So what you can do is you can also create NFTs. How to get started? If you are a complete beginner, you are hearing the word NFT for the first time, don't worry. Go ahead and check out any of the NFT marketplaces. There are many NFT marketplaces out there. You can go to Rarible, you can go to Foundation. There are Solana NFTs as well. And then we have Foundation, and then we have Super Rare, OpenSea.io. OpenSea is actually one of the largest and very the one of the first NFT marketplaces, and I personally also have minted my NFTs on OpenSea. So you can check out OpenSea.io as well, and you will have a better idea about the NFTs because all of the famous collections are found right here. So what you need to do is you can create your own NFT collection if you are a graphic designer, and if you learn about NFTs, then you can just simply go ahead, create a collection, because then you will be able to invest in the metaverse, and it will be an amazing opportunity for you to make millions of dollars by selling, buying and trading NFTs. The next opportunity that you have with the metaverse is going to be your own brand and shop within your metaverse. Yes, you heard me right. You can actually create your own shop within the metaverse, like all of the famous brands are actually doing that. You might have heard like every day a new brand is launching that they are also creating their shop in the metaverse. So that is what you can do as well if you are a business owner, and if you have a brand of any type. For example, you can sell shoes, you can sell wearables, you can sell glasses, you can sell accessories, anything you want to. So how we get this opportunity in metaverse? Well, when there is going to be a metaverse, right? People hang out in the metaverse all the time, so they need clothes to wear in the metaverse. So what you can do is you can create your own shop, a virtual shop, where you will be able to sell your clothes as NFTs, right? You can launch new products, you can actually promote them, and when you will be selling your products within the metaverse, then it will be a promotion for your real life product as well. Like the store you have in real life, you will be able to sell it in real life as well. So you will not be only making money in cryptos and in metaverse, like you will be making thousands of dollars with it, but you will also be able to sell your products in the physical, like whatever price you have. So that actually brings a lot of opportunity for you. Of course, you will be able to grow your business, you will be able to communicate, you will be able to grow your business. Like it is an amazing opportunity for you. So if you are you run any type of business, if you have a brand, then I think this is the time that you should definitely considering getting into metaverse and creating your own shop within the metaverse, so you're not too late, because everybody is doing so right now, and you will regret it later if you do not do that right now. So just go ahead and check out a different there are different platforms that actually allow you to create your own virtual store within the metaverse, so you will be able to do so. So go ahead and check them out right now and create your own shop within the metaverse and make millions of dollars. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know best opportunities to invest in metaverse to make thousands of dollars. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.